This is a we have a question paper. You can see the top June 2008, June 2008, and very paper 3. It is very clear. And the question number 10 I'm going to discuss now. First of all, what a question number 1. We have given that position vector of A and B are mentioned here. Okay. He said that another line is mentioned, given by him, is this line. Normally he gives line in this form, R is equals to this plus T time to this one. So he converted he multiplying, it very well. Like I just show you 152 and just sake of understanding. So -2 and 1 and the -1. So this is line equation of L given by him. So when you multiply T inside and then you add them, you got a standard form. So this standard form is given already by him. So normally we have to convert standard form, but this question he given us standard form. Okay. So this job is okay. Now what a question number 1, he said, show that line does not intersect the line through AB. So job number 1, first of all, I need to find AB. So solution start from I part from here. So how to get a line? What is the line of technique? I'm going to find R is equals to 2 options are there. OA plus lambda times to AB. I can use this formula. Or if I start here OB, then I must write here BA. Make sure if I use OA, then I must use AB. If I write AOB, then I must write BA. So make sure, I think I should use the above one. Okay. So let's start. So I'm looking for AB vector. AB vector is very, very clear how to get AB vector. AB vector formula is OB minus OA. So I'm finding it OB minus OA. OB minus OA will give you here. And OB is this. So I'm writing 2, 1, 3. And OA is this. I'm writing 1, 2, 3. Now 2 minus 1 give you 1. Wait a minute. And 1 minus 2 give you -1, and 3 minus 3 give you 0. So I got OA. So this AB value I will plug in here. So equation of line. So what I'm getting? What is the equation of line AB? Equation of line AB. So I got R is equals to OA plus lambda times 2 AB. OA come from here 1, 2, 3, and AB come from here 1 minus 1, 0. So if I convert in standard form, what I will get? Standard form. So standard form, standard form. So all of you know how to convert it. Lambda multiply inside and then we add like 1 from here and plus lambda from here. This 1 plus lambda, the way he showed you, this is called standard form. So I repeat, and then here, what about these two? So 2 minus lambda. What about this and this? We got only 3. Why? Because lambda into 0 is 0. No need to write it. Now, what is the plan of action? I have this standard form of line of L given and line AB standard form given this. And if they intersect, I will write the if they intersect, if they intersect. So I will do what? I will put R equals to R. So standard form of 1 equals standard form of number 2. So let's see now. First of all, I'm writing this standard form. This I'm writing here down. So 1 plus lambda, and 2 minus lambda and 3. And other form is here we have standard form. So I'm writing from here 1 minus 2t, 1 minus 2t, and t 5 plus t. And what is the third one? 5 plus t come from here, and 2 minus t. So 2 minus t. Now I will make a 3 equations. I component equal, JJ component equal, because they intersect, because I just assume they intersect. So at this point, I component are equals to each other, J component are equal to each other, and K component are equals to each other. So I'm going to make a 3 equations. 1 plus lambda equal to 1 minus 2t. Okay, 2 minus lambda equals to 5 plus t, and third is a 3 equals to 2 minus t. So I'm going to make finalize 3 forms. I bring 2t here and 1 on the other side. Ultimately, lambda plus 2t equals to 0. Equation number 1 ready. Now here, similar approach. I will bring this here, or I can bring lambda on the other end. So lambda become positive. T is already positive. 5 will go there. I get a -3. So maybe some students got lambda negative t lambda and 3 positive. So no issue at all. Same thing. Solve this. I bring a t on this end, 3 goes in this end. Ultimately, I get t value is equals to -1. So I got third. Now I will use any two equation and solve lambda and t. Luckily, lambda t is available. This t value I will use in number 2 or number 1. Okay, I put in 2. I put in 2. Put in 2. When I put in 2, this value here, what happened? Lambda plus -1 and equal to -3. In short form, this goes there and I get -2. So I got a t value and I got lambda value. But I did not touch the equation number 1. Now I'm saying in checking purpose. It's called check. So I will put all these values in one number. If left rights are matched, for example, what is the equation? This one given by him, lambda will come here and t will come here. And let's see what answer turns to be. This one, 2 times 2 -2, -1, sorry, equal to 0, and -2, and I got -2, and I got -4 equal to 0. They are not equal to, so it means they don't intersect. So they don't intersect. If they become equal, they intersect. So I think idea is very, very clear. So we have done it. Part number 2. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. 4 marks. Next 6 mark. 6 mark question is, he said P lies on line L. P lies on line L such that angle PAB is 60. I repeat, actually, you know that you just prove it that they are not intersecting. If they're not intersecting, so 100% confirm they are parallel. So they are parallel like this idea. Okay. If they are parallel, so let's say PAB, what angle is given by him? PAB is 60 degree and P lies on line L, PAB. So let's take PAB. So I take A here, I take a B here, and P lies somewhere here, and the line L. So I join PA with the P, this one, this call a vector. I can show you. This is a vector I call AB. This is vector I call AP, and this angle given by him is 60, because I can show you that both vectors starting from A, originating from A. That is why this vector and this vector. And we have a dot product formula. You know it very well. How to do the part number 2? So let's start part number 2. So what is technique we have to use here? Formula is AB vector dot AP vector equal to magnitude of AB into magnitude of AP into cos of the angle between, which is given by him 60, luckily. Sometimes is unknown, sometimes given by him. So now what is the plan of action? I need two vectors, AP and AB. And luckily AB I have here. Look at here. Look at here. AB I have here. AB I have. But AP is what I need. And look, read the statement, please. Find a, so given that position vector of P is given this. So luckily, given us the point P is given by him. Okay. So this I will use as it is for OP. So I'm writing 1 minus 2t, 1 minus 2t. So OP is equal to 1 minus 2t. And what are the other component? 5 plus t. 5 plus t and 5 plus t. So I'm writing 5 plus t. And the what the third one is 2 minus 2, 2 minus t. Let me recheck because small mistake when bring a problem here. 2 minus t, correct. So I have a OP. So what is the whole plan? You know it very well. First of all, I have OA, I have AB, everything. So first job is AB, which I have already. So let's start. AB we have already. And what is the main AB? So look at here. AB I'm writing from top. AB is minus 1 minus 1 0. Look at here. 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. What is magnitude of AB? A piece of cake for us. So magnitude, a square of the I 1, square of the other, and square of 0. So I get what? I got root 2. So this AB is done. Now I'll go for AP. But AP, I need to first find it. How to find AP? So OP minus OA. And you know it very well. OP we have mentioned here. We're mentioned here on the top. So I'll take from here 1 minus 2t and 5 plus t and 2 minus t. And OA, I have a, well, let me check where is OA. OA is a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So OA is 1, 2, 3. I take it 1, 2, 3. And ultimately, I'm getting what AP vector is finally, I get it. AP vector. So this minus this. So 1 minus 1 becomes 0. I get negative 2t only. Okay, 5t minus 2 and 5 minus 2 will give you 3. So 3 plus t. And now 2 minus 3, I get a negative 1 and negative t. So I think, okay. But according to plan, I need a modulus of AP also. AB modulus, I got it. AP modulus, I'm looking for. So let's find. So how to find modulus of AP? So square root and square of the first term, square of the second term, and square of the third term. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So let's try to plug in this all values. So 3 plus t and negative 1, negative 2. So let's start. 4t to power 2. And here, how to do this kind of thing, a squaring identity. All right, 2 time and multiply. But I use squaring identity. First term square, 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. What about this? You know, if both signs are positive or both signs are negative, they deal the same way. So 1 square plus 2 into 1 into t and plus t square. So I'm going to finalize. This is a 4t to power 2 and this 3 square is 9. Here I got 6t. Here I got, sorry, some mistake is here. There's a t, it's not 3. So there's a t. So here t. So it means this becomes t square. And 1 and plus 2t and plus t to power 2. Now I want to just finalize 4t square plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6t square. So I got this. And 6 plus 2 give you 8. So it may give you 8t. And 9 plus 1 give you 10. So there's a 10. So I believe up till here, I know a big trouble. Okay, let's see now. This formula, this will, okay, this is we have, this we have. I think we can plug in the formula in now. It's called number. I give a name, this number, equation number, let's say K equation. Okay, I'm going to put an equation down. Put in equation K. Okay, according to plan, what is the formula? Actually, formula is AB dot AP. And AB is where? AB is, for your knowledge, is this one. And where is AP? AP is there. So these two vectors I will multiply and dot specially. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Dot product. And where is AP? This one. So negative 2t, 3 plus t, and minus 1 minus t equals to what we have. Please review. This week I wrote, and now AB magnitude, which is a root 2. It will come here. And root 2 will come here. And then AP magnitude, which is coming here. T60 square, we are just coming gradually close to our answer. And cos 60. And cos 60 is written already, you can see here. Okay, now I'm going to complete dot product. What is dot product? This corresponding position values always multiply. You know it very well. So I got negative 2t and 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 and t into minus 1 is minus t. And 0 something is 0 gone. So ultimately this becomes negative 3t and negative 3. Here root 2, here root 6 t to power 2 plus 8t and plus 10. And cos 60 is root 3 by 2. If I check in calculator, cos 60 is cos 60 is half is equal to sine 30. Anyway, this is coming, is very clear now. Let's see how we can proceed. And this 2 down 2, it is this actually down under whole thing will can multiply on the or keep it here, no issue at all. Now squaring both sides. When I squaring both sides, what happens? Squaring left side, it will turn to be this form because all three are multiplying. Look at it, multiply, multiply, and multiply. And rule of algebra, if three values are multiplying, and if you give the power, any power to this power will go on each value separate. So this square of root will become 2, and square of this one root will go away. 60 square, 80 plus 10, and square of 1 by 2 become 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Now I'm just going to simplify. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So from here 2 common out, I take 2 common out, I get 3t to power 2 plus 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10, and into half. And this 2 and this 2 will cancel as well. And left hand side, what we have? So first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. So I'm getting 9t to power 2 and 2 6 60s are 18t and plus 9 equals to 3t to power 2 and plus 4t and plus 5. So this goes there. Out of 9, 3 gone, 6t to power 2. This come here out of 18, 4 gone, we got a 14t. This 5 goes there, we got a 4. Okay, I think divisible by 2, I got 3t to power 2, 2 sevens are 14 and 2 twos are 4. Check 372, 372, 372. Let's see, 372, 372. So 372, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, it's totally match. This equation he was asking us, which are totally match. And now find the only possible position vectors of position vector of P. So we need to find, so not a hard job, because we know that the position vector of P is given this. So that value of, we will solve the T values. We got 2 T values. We will plug in that T value here. Okay, there's another important point left here. So let's discuss that point. And then inshallah, question is completely over. Okay, now I will factorize. So 3t to power 2 plus 7t plus 2 equal to 0. 3 2s are 6. So I, or apply quadratic formula. 2 options available here with us. But I think so factorization is time saving. Okay, plum here 1 common t plus 2. Here one important point left. That question inshallah over after that. So here we have either this part equal to 0 or this part equal to 0. So I get t plus 2 equal to 0 or 3t plus 1 equals to 0. I get t equal to -2. I got t equals to -1/3. Now, very interesting point come now. He said position vector. Please make sure, please check again the question. Check again. He said position vector, not vectors. Only possible, only possible. It means a 1 point. Now you say, sir, I am getting 2 points. Why he asking? So look at here. Very simple. The angle is 60 degree. Very simple. And you know it very well. Dot product must be such a way. I discuss in detail with you, but I repeat again. Look at here again. I give an idea here. You know, if 2 vectors AB dot AP, if answer become equals to 0, it means theta is 90 degree. Rule number 1. If AP dot AB is if answer become positive answer, so theta is less than 90 degree. Okay. Rule number 3. Rule number 3. If AP dot AB is answer is coming negative answer, negative, then theta is must be bigger than 90 degree. But see, we have not 90 degree. We have given formula here 60, which is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree means 100% understood that dot product should be positive, because 60 means positive. If this bigger than 60, then negative. So which number of t will give us positive? So let's see now. This number give you positive or this number give you positive. So that I'll check it. Left hand side dot product formula, I have this one. See, dot product giving this answer. I repeat my words. Dot product of this AB dot AP is coming here. I'm going to show you. This is answer of AB dot AP. So I'm writing here now. AB as AB dot AP is actually is what? -3 -t. -3t minus 3. Okay, -3t. So I'm going to put both values. Let's see what answer comes. If I use t is equal to -2. So let's see what answer turned to be. 3 times 2, -2, -3, -3. I got negative and positive. I got a positive 3. So it is giving us positive answer. And if I try the other one, if t equal to -1/3, then let's see what answer comes. So this value I plug in here. So let's see, -3 times 2, -1/3 and -3. 3 cancel out. I got a +1. I get a -2. So -2 I have to ignore. And this I have to take. Why, sir? Because we need the angle less, because see the angle is 60 degree. You see the angle 60 degree. It means this must be positive answer. And we're getting 2 different answers, one positive, one negative. So I will not take this the lower one. So this is I have to ignore this t value, ignore. So I will take this only. So it means t value is -2. Now I'm looking for the position vector of P finally, and I'm going to plug in t -2 in the form here, which is here. It is this one here. Sorry. This is a Position of P is this one. So here I'm going to put it now. So OP formula. So I'm going to put it in the place here 2, and here 2. So when I copy here 2, let's see what answer comes. 1 minus 2 times T, then 5 plus T, then 2 minus T. And I'm putting both every value minus 2 and minus 2. Here I'm getting 5, here I'm getting 3, and here I'm getting 4. Let's see again. Yeah, 5, 3, 4 is our final answer. 5, 3, 4. 5, 3, 4 is our final answer. So I hope so. The point is very, very